Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at IA Presenter, a plain text presentation app by the makers of the popular IA Writer text editor. IA Presenter is a very minimal presentation app built on the IA Writer engine that turns your basic Markdown into a simple, clean presentation that looks great on any device. It reminds me a lot of DexSet, which I covered a while back in episode 731, 5 years ago. But IA Presenter gives you a lot more options, and unlike DexSet, which required an external text editor, IA Presenter includes a great built-in text editor that renders live previews of your slides as you work on them. IA Presenter also makes it easy to customize your theme and even make your own so you can get your presentation looking just the way you want. But the real brilliance of IA Presenter is that it makes it really easy to take an existing plain text document and break it into a great looking presentation. One of the ways it does this is by not showing standard body text on your slides unless that text is indented. So you can create a great looking presentation in no time and use your original text as your presenter notes. In this screencast, we'll walk through the IA Presenter interface, walk you through the Markdown formatting used to power your presentation, show you how to change the design options to dial in the look and feel of your presentation the way you want, and show you how to chop up an existing Markdown-based note into slides. So here we are in IA Presenter. The first time that we open the application, it's going to ask us whether we want to buy now, add a license, or use the free trial for 14 days. Right now, I have the trial, but I really like this application, so I'm going to go ahead and buy a license. When we open this in Safari, we have a couple of options here. There is a monthly option, a yearly option, and a lifetime option. The monthly is $4.45 US dollars per month. Yearly is $44.50 US dollars per year. And the lifetime is $89 US dollars as a one-time purchase. So I'm going to click that option, open up the page to purchase IA Presenter, click the Apple Pay button. Okay, so the license was sent to my email address. I'm going to go to my email app, grab that license, and then come back into IA Presenter, click Add License, and paste it there. We get this confetti and a message saying, "Thank you for buying IA Presenter." Okay, let's close that splash screen. And the very first thing we see is this introductory video. If we wanted to watch this video, it gives us an overview for what IA Presenter can do. Now, we're going to walk through this in the screencast, so I'm going to close this for now, but there is some good information in this short video, and I do recommend that you watch this when you open the application for the first time. Okay, when we close it, it's going to ask us if we want to see that introduction the next time we open the app. Click No. And then we have to either open a document or create a new document.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.